Hi everyone, it's Amelia from Taipec. Today we are going to be making original milk tea. First of all, you have to make sure you have your tapioca pearls and your tea ready. So first we're going to get our cup, and then we're going to fill it up with a spoonful of tapioca pearls, only about 80% full. Like so. Then you need to pour 200 milliliters of the black tea. Then grab the fructose and scoop 2 ladles full. Now you're going to add 3 scoops full of creamer. Then you're going to grab your stirring spoon and mix it all in. Mix it in until there are no lumps left. Once it's all mixed in, you're going to grab your ice and fill it up to this line here. Now you're going to pop on the lid and then the smaller lid on top. Now it's time to shake. Hold your hand like this on top, holding all 3 pieces together, then your other hand at the bottom, keeping it all secure. Shake for about 5 to 10 seconds. Now time to pour the drink in. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to check out our other how-to bubble tea videos.